Well, good afternoon to one and present over here. Am I audible? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Thank,
sir.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Few participants who have not joined with audio as well. So few participants are here. You can join with audio. May I take your name? E20 Akshay. Again E41 Mohite. So please join with audio as well. You will not be able to listen. So you need to join with audio. Remaining participants, you need to mute your mic as well. So Prashant, Sangeeta, and E60 Patil Pratik, you need to mute.
You are not audible to me, sir.
Sorry, due to network issue, I left the meeting. Am I audible right now? Are you getting
Yes,
my
sir.
voice?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So, well, again, I hope you are doing well by staying at home in this COVID-19 pandemic. I have requested some few participants who have not joined with audio. Uh, E24. You also, Pradeep, you need to join with audio. Then and then only you will listen your our voice. Then E54, Chinmay also, you need to join with audio. Omkar, you also need to join with audio. Apart from this instruction, very few participants have. Again, sorry for inconvenience. I don't know exactly what is happening, but somehow we are facing the difficulties or problem to connecting these things. Now, am I audible? Are you getting my voice clearly?
पोस्ट ही कोई दूसरा रहे हैं.
Sorry. Okay, shall we proceed? So I was requesting you guys to change your name as well as per your roll number. All the participants have changed like E02. Like that, everyone must change your name or that Google account name. It means your attendance will be recorded automatically. So Amruta, again, Ajay, whoever are pending or who has not mentioned renamed your name, so you need to rename your names. Okay, thank you so much. Now we need to continue for the today's session. I hope the screen is also visible to everyone.
Yes,
Is the
sir.
screen visible to everyone? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Shall we proceed? Okay, welcome again for the communication skills lecture. Already we have discussed this about some very few things about the syllabus and teaching scheme. Now, today we are going to discuss. In the last lecture also, we had discussed about our setting goals and dreams. Afterwards, we need to go ahead with very few things. Who had joined the first time for the today's session, we need to revise in short. Already I have asked you to set your dream or goal as per the opinion of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You might have set your target or goal, and your dream would not be, or dream is not which that you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. By this way, by this manner, by this thought, we need to think or it while setting our dream or goal. Apart from that, we had discussed about what is dream, how to set our goal, how to prepare our plan, and apart from that, not only plan is required or setting goal is required, but also action is also required for fulfillment of your success or achieving your success. So we need to do that things. Again, we had discussed even though you are staying at home, we need to start where you are, use what you have and do you what you can. जे काही सोबत असेल, जिथं असाल तिथून सुरुवात करा. That things we had discussed in the last lecture. Apart from that, this slide also we had discussed in the last lecture. This thought is given by the Carnegie Institute of Technology, and according to that Carnegie Institute of Technology, they're saying 85% of financial success is due to your personality and ability to communicate, negotiate, and lead. Shockingly, only 15% is due to technical knowledge. So I hope this we had discussed thoroughly in this in last session. Now today we are going to discuss very few next thoughts related to our area or related to our dream set, communication, and all things. After that, we need to continue with our syllabus. Again, I can revise the syllabus once again because very few participants were there, were there for the first 2-3 lectures. Now, again, we need to revise syllabus for the newly joined participants. So here, one basic thought is there in front of you. So anyone can, it's very easy task to read that because already we have discussed how we need to involve in the situation, involve in the action. So if you wish to get success, if don't think so only for studying or only for communicating English in the CIP session, or you can say in the communication skills lecture, there will not be useful for your whole improvement or development. So simple one thing is there, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. So while communicating, while talking, you need to perform our task. In fact, consistency is required. Even though I can congratulate you guys, you have taken the admission for degree engineering, and for getting admission at SWERI, it is not difficult task, but for continuing with your efforts and getting good result, that is also required there. You have taken admission for not only for getting the degree certificate, but also for offer letter at MNC company. Am I right? So as per my opinion, no one is here to get this here to get the only degree certificate, because if you wish to get the degree certificate anyhow, you might have received, or you might have taken any other colleges as well. But competition is here, I can say in SWERI, not only in SWERI but also in the world. For getting opportunity, you need to struggle from today onwards. Who has not joined, very few participants who have attended already my lectures, they have started, but who have joined today only, they need to start from today onwards. Baga, as per my some fellow friends requested me to, sir, you can use both languages. So I need to again talk in Marathi. Here one thought is there, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. यश मिळवायचं असेल तर 100% आपल्याला कन्सिस्टन्सी रिक्वायर आहे. लक्षात घ्या, यश हे कधी आज अभ्यास केला म्हणून तेवढ्या पुरतं मिळणार नाही. कदाचित तुम्ही 40 मार्क्सचा विषय पास होऊ शकाल.
हॅलो
हॅलो
हॅलो हॅलो
am I audible? Please mute yourself, everyone, please mute yourself. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But there is lag, sir. There is lag, sir.
Okay, thank you. We don't know exactly what is happening about the network, but just we will overcome it, the barriers. And this is called barriers in our communication. That is called technical barriers. You might have facing, or we are going to learn in communication skills only. What kinds of barriers are there to communicate and how we need to overcome the barriers. So if these kinds of barriers are here, I think so someone has from our college logged through that account again. That's why this account is logged out. Just only we will find the risk, or we will take the rescue of that things, and we will get that benefit. So I was talking too much about that. We need to think here What about the success?
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
yes, please.
Sorry to say, sir, but in my timetable, sir, this is not the time for computer communication skills class, sir. It is
Actually,
for mathematics first.
even though it is
Is it right?
mathematics first, but
Is
because
it
of,
right, sir?
yes, absolutely right. On Monday we have first session on communication skills, but because of I have a continuous 4 hours lecture on the Monday, that's why according to your class coordinator now, through that link on the Telegram, you can check already that your class coordinator have has modified that timetable on your link. So henceforth, our timetable
Okay,
would be
sir.
same. So instead of conducting on Monday's first lecture, we are going to conduct today's this lecture. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay. Thank you so
okay, I
much.
got it.
Thank you. So I just only I have been talking about the success and how we need to get the success. It's by doing consistently, not only doing occasional work. So apart from that, I everyone please mute yourself if anyone's mic is unmuted. So again it would be disturbance in between. If I ask you any question, you can answer by unmuting your mic. Next question, next point is there, next thought is there in front of you. Why I am going to talk about the same at the starting point. Anyway, we could start our syllabus, but what is the use of starting syllabus and completions of the syllabus? These things are not required, because even though this is the theory subject of communication skills, but without learning theory we can implement our that things in communication skills. Already we have learned a lot of things under the title grammar, even the parts of speeches, articles, tenses, direct and indirect speeches, and all things. But what things are expected here? To perform that act. That's why here first 1 2 session we need to enjoy, and afterwards we need to continue with the same. So one thought is there in front of you. I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. Who has given the thought? Confucius, Chinese teacher, editor, politician, and philosopher before Christ, the 551 years. He has given the thought. So why I have shown you the slide? I think so. If you see the thought, in anyway, what happened? I can easily tell you this is the thought, and by this way, by this thought is given by the Confucius. So by this way only we can move forward. But what is the my basic motto here? You need to see and you need to remember. I do and I understand. Not only reading, not only hearing, or not only I can say seeing that image or seeing that slide, it would not be useful, but your understanding, your thing would be there. So please, who is there? You can mute yourself. Basically, here is the one word here. I think so. You know the meaning of what is the mean of the word hear and listen. Who is there? Do you know what is mean by hear and what is mean by listen? To hear and to listen. Anyone can unmute mic and just listen. Just tell me about. Yes, anyone? काय फरक काय दोन्हीमध्ये? हिअर आणि लिसन या दोन शब्दामध्ये काय फरक आहे?
Listen is, sir, when someone is asking something to us. Someone is asking.
Okay, and
That time we listen, sir.
what's
Here
about?
in general, sir, it's common, sir. We can anything which our ears
Very good.
hear, sir.
Very good. So please, very good. So please mute yourself now. Just as he told that, what is the listening? Listening means listening with the careful attentiveness, I can say. And what is the hearing? By without any, without any intention. If you could get the voice. Nowadays, I have been telling him or that participants who have not muted himself, you need to mute. Still, he is not muting. He is not listening. He tried to hear. And again, what things are happening here? That sound of that goat, we are getting that skills are going on, is in terms of hear, not to listen. Understand? So these kinds of difference would be there. That's why we need not hear, we need to listen. But by listening also, there will not be things we need to see and we need to remember. And instead of only seeing, we need to do and we need to understand. So one task is there. Henceforth, you need to read the thought again, even though your reading skill is very good. Understand? So this thought is there, but we need to follow it accordingly. Now here, Dr. Benjamin Franklin said, what he said, anyone can unmute yourself and just read the same thought. Who will read the same thought? I am not going to check your reading, but who is enough confident to read? You can unmute your mic and just read what is there in front of you on the screen. Yes, please.
Tell me and I forget. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn.
Very good. The thought is given by Benjamin Franklin. So instead of telling to learn, to read, to do, to perform, to work, that things are not good. Even though teachers are usually telling study hard, do hard, because then and then only you will get the success. But problem is there while communicating, or anyway your teacher can ask you such kinds of tasks. But instead of only telling, if you are not doing or not performing good, so we can say that tell me and I forget. Jar tumhi mala sangitलं तर there might be chances to forget. One more request is there, one more question is there. If anyone is there from your class who could not understand Marathi language, anyone is there who is from out of Maharashtra or his mother tongue is not Marathi? Is there anyone?
Yes, sir, it's me. It's
Okay.
me, sir. It's me, Saqib.
Very good. So
It's me, sir.
Saqib,
I'm from Jammu Kashmir.
okay, very good. So for the way
Yeah,
of,
sir. Please, sir, if you.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
I need to communicate again in Hindi as well, or is it okay English only for you only?
Okay, sir. But you can use Hindi also, sir, for more understanding.
Okay, not an issue, but problem about the other students, they wish to get somehow in Marathi, but even though I can try to use in Hindi as well.
Oh, you can use Marathi also, sir.
Okay, okay, not an
But
issue.
a little bit Hindi is needed, required. Okay, sir.
Very good, very good. So thank you so much, Saqib. Now, as I am telling you, only telling that things would not be good. So tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Sometimes what happen? Your teachers may teach you and you try to remember that things. But problem is there. If you involve in or that activity, automatically you will learn that things. Got it? So for that way, for that purpose, what things are expected here? Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. So henceforth from this session in our class or communication skills, everyone must be involved. Then and then only we can say that our communication would be improved. Even though nowadays we can we could not compare with the people whose basic language or first language is English and first language is Marathi or Hindi, and how they are communicating. Even though we are the third, we have first language mother tongue, and again in second or third language, that is English as a global language. We need to correlate that both languages, and we need to use English as a common language. I can hear assure, or I can say here that even though the British English or American English is difficult to understand, but here in Indian English is nowadays is worldwide accepted language, Indian English. So it is very easy task. There will not be any such kinds of tones and accents like British English and American English. Simple, whatever things are there in front of you, as in being the Indian people, you can try to communicate your own way, and it is accepted as well worldwide. So that's all. Simple thing is there. Yes, very good. So next, but if you wish to come forward, if you wish to talk in front of the people or mob, what things are happening around us, there is one greatest barrier to success. if you wish to get or achieve the success, what is the greatest barrier or problem in getting the achievement or success? So here on the same thought is there. The greatest barrier to success is the fear of failure. How many participants are here from your class who are saying that, sir, absolutely true. This is things are happening here. If I could ask, or I would ask any participants from your class, you can come forward and or you can just unmute your mic and talk about yourself for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. How many participants are ready? Very few participants would be ready, because who would be ready? Who has enough confidence to communicate in an appropriate manner, even though in Marathi language or Hindi language or English language as well. But problem is there, all of you guys, every participants from your class are facing the same problem, that the greatest barrier to success, that is the fear of failure. मग असं काय होतंय का की सगळेच मला मनामध्ये भीती राहते. इनफॅक्ट आय एम फीलिंग दॅट someone will laugh me if I could fail, if I could unable to communicate with the proper manner with your teacher or your friends. From your participants or from your class, very few many participants can laugh you, many participants can taunt you how he is talking in English. Sometimes it's happen, but major question is there, major problem is there, major barrier is there, fear of failure. Try to understand that. And how can we cover that fear of failure? Due to this in simple manner. How? Because these things are here around us, and due to this we are unable to remove the fear of failure from our mindset. So now tell me, how many participants are here from that who face or who are saying that I am in comfort zone? How many are saying that we are in comfort zone? How many are saying that we are in fear zone? How many are saying that we are in shall we upgrade again? So can we join once again, or shall we stop after 30 minutes? Shall I upgrade so you can join afterwards again? Everyone must join fast, please. Okay, so again there would be chance to move from these same things, and we need to continue. Okay, not an issue. So tell me through the chat box, if you are saying that comfort zone, you need to say that C zone. If you are talking about the F zone, you can mark F zone. If you are saying that L, you can mark only C, F, L, G through the chat box. Everyone must mark in which zone you are here. You are thinking that in which zone you are there. So simple manner is there: comfort zone, fear zone, learning zone, and growth zone. So what things are happening around us? Usually we have been feeling that we are in comfort zone because we have to feel safe and good, or we can say feel safe and in control. Every situation is there in feel safe and in control. Nowadays, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we have been enjoying our we can say pound at home only, and through that we are feeling we are enough good at home. If we could start physical college, some of the students may think over it that we need to go forward for the college physically, but many of the participants will think that due to our that restriction or risk of the COVID-19, we need to stay home, feel safe. Again, most of the participants are saying that even though they are in listening zone, but we need to control here according to the fear zone as well. Most of the participants are saying that there will be lack of confidence. How the fear zones regret? Lack of self-confidence, find excuses, be affected by others' opinion. So try to understand that these things, lack of self-confidence, usually we have been facing the same problem. If any teacher or any participants or any in any program, anyone asks you to same question, you need to come forward and talk on the basic point. So even though you would not be unable to communicate, so we need to remove the lack of confidence would not be there. You should be enough confidence or enough confident. Next thing is there, find excuses. What happened, even though if you many participants wish to join for this session, and if you are unable to connect with these again due to network issue and any some excuses always there. So instead of doing work, instead of getting doing struggle, most of the participants will think or it that instead of getting success, we need to find the excuses. Again, what happened if you could not get the opportunity in MNC company after the completion of your degree? You may show your excuses. Due to this, I could not able to achieve the success. But instead of finding excuses, we need to stuck with your success or stuck with your efforts. Again, one point is there, be affected by others' opinions. So try to understand that, don't be affected with by others' opinions. As I told you, most of the times what happened, someone will laugh, someone will say something, someone will tell something, that things would not be there in appropriate manner. जर कोणी काही म्हणतंय मला किंवा समाजामध्ये किंवा तुमच्यामधलं कोणतरी हसतंय, अशा प्रकारचे जे ओपिनियन माइंडसेट मध्ये असतं तर असं काढून टाकणं गरजेचं आहे. Someone will laugh me, there would not be any chance. Understand? Now learning zone, most of the students are from your class are saying that we are in learning zone. Deal with challenges and problems. You have to that habit, deal with challenges and problems. Even though due to network issues sometimes we logged out, but I tried to face the challenge or achieve the success by dealing with the challenges and problems to conquer, because this is also learning skill to me, learning zone to me as well, because this is the online platform and we are unable to communicate in an appropriate manner. In fact, sometimes technical issues there, technical barriers would be there. So we need to control ourselves or deal with challenges by this way. Next point is that acquire new skills. How I can learn how to check the chat box? Just I learned here only. How can learn use how to recall the students, how to call the students? Again, very few technical issues would be there. So acquire new skills. Even though we need to learn new skills, even though your basic is not enough good, so your communication would be there, your logic would be there, your personality would be there, or what things, new skills are required for our development, we need to learn. Next point is there, extend your comfort zone. So I can say that don't be in comfort zone, you need to extend comfort zone. मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात बघा, आपलंच गाव म्हणजे ते एक डबका असतं आणि त्याच्यामध्येच पोहायला आलं म्हणजे सगळे तिथंच राजा झाल्यासारखं राहतात, तसं तर कोण चालणार नाही. वी नीड टू कंटिन्यू, वी नीड टू एक्सटेंड आवर कम्फर्ट झोन. मग गाव हे कम्फर्ट नसून तालुका कम्फर्ट पाहायला पाहिजे, तालुका कम्फर्ट नसून district, you can say that district is the comfort zone for me. Again, we can say that Maharashtra is comfort zone for me, India is comfort zone for me. Like that, we need to extend our comfort zone, and you have to achieve or say that learning ability or learning zone. Next and last point from this, there is the growth zone. Find purpose. So simple, why we are attending the session, why we are connecting with the session here, we need to find carefully. Every moment we need to find the purposes, then and then only it is a very easy task. Before going to conclude this session, I request you guys, everyone can mark your roll number through the chat box. It may recorded, that attendance may be recorded in appropriate manner. So everyone must mark your roll number through the chat box as well as your name. Good. So only finding purposes would not be sufficient. So live in dreams. As I told you while at the starting of this session, don't see dreams which you see in night while sleeping. We need to see the dreams which you, that according to Dr. Kalam, does not let you sleep. So see the dreams. I need to achieve the target. I need to get the success. I need to grab the MNC company's offer letter. Like that, you need to see the dreams. Set new goals. At every moment, you need to set a goal. How we need to just I have set my goal in this 2.29 seconds. I need to minutes. I need to complete this slide only. Understand? So every time we need to set new goals. So like that, you also, or you must be able to set new goals. For today, I need to complete, or I need to remember or recap the 10 words from English language. So you need to do. Even though you can set your goal to every week, I need to write one essay in English language. This would be your set new your goal. Your again short-term goal and long-term goal would be there. Understand? Again, one point is there, conquer objectives. If you have set your goal to write an essay, a single essay of a week, in a week, you need to, I can say, you need to write in appropriate manner. If you have completed the task, I can say that your objectives would be conquered. You win. Understand? So these things would be there, and by staying in the learning zone or growth zone, we can remove our fearful mindset. मगच आपण काय करू शकतो, तर आपल्या मनामधली भीती काढून टाकू शकतो, आणि तरच आपलं कम्युनिकेशन चांगलं होऊ शकतं. इवन देन I am damn sure about you guys. Most of the students can talk easily in English language and in Marathi language, but who get opportunity, who get offer letter, or who will get the offer letter, who has communication, who has command on communication skills, they can get the offer letter. But what's about others? You need to also think over it, because you have targeted the same. You have joined for the engineering at the same college. You need to achieve your same target. So everyone's communication skills would be enough good, then and then only we can consider here. Understand? So now within this second, we will stop here. Again, I have lecture of at 2 o'clock. Let's, new things are here. You may focus on about attitude. So you can try to learn about the attitude in the next lecture. More parts are there, but we will learn, try to finish as early as, and then we will continue. But it is the core part of our communication skills or of our subject. I hope this is enough good. If any doubt, problem is there, you can ask through the chat box, or else you can ask